All right, welcome everyone. Another day of building on our locomotive with mechanical. I was thinking this morning, and I had a brief moment of terror. What if I put this in backwards? I don't think I did. I think I followed the instructions, but I want to make sure that the mechanics are actually working on the key here. Make sure. Yeah, that's what I was. Okay, but I was expecting it to go click, click, click. So that's a little concerning. But it does appear it would still work, so I may be overreacting. I want to take a quick peek and make sure. Let's see, I think. Yeah, I think that's just a clutch system in case you overstress it. Just looking at it. Yeah, I think that'll be alright. It appears to still be working, so I'm not overly concerned with it, but that's just a thought I had. Well, this thing, whoa, looks a little wonky today, but it's still, I think that's just, until it gets more pieces assembled around it, it's going to be a little wobbly on the smokestack. Okay, but that being said, today we are building, doing step 19. So, need D. Okay, right here. D 18 times 2. This one. Go. 10 times 2. D 19 times 4. These 4. D20 times 4. So these. Oh, got a. Okay, those look like they're different. Okay, no, but yeah. So 4 of these. So we got a spare. They're counting you breaking one, getting them out. Okay. And D21. Should be, D21, there you are. Right there in the open where I almost missed you. Okay. Get these guys sanded down a bit. Here. Alright. Oh yeah, and if any of my Lego people have made it this far into the video, I meant to open with this. I'm going to be opening this for the next few videos. I am transferring all my Lego builds over to my other channel, which is also going to be my sort of nostalgia. I'm going through an not unboxing, but taking my old toys from my childhood out of storage and doing little 3 and 4 minute videos on each one as I take it out and try and remember what it was and how fun it was, how great it was, and all that. So I opened up with my first one was Battle Damage He-Man for anyone of that age. But I'm gonna start putting a link in the end if you want to check out that channel. I'm being entertained by it, just remembering notions of my childhood, and it's so far been fun. I've officially done 4 videos. I got 3 of them out. They're not getting much view, but it's early days yet, so I'm not too worried. Now I'm going to slightly different this time. I'm gonna take a break, set everything up in the order that I'm going to be using it, so hopefully it'll be easier. And my cat's about to take a pee, so I don't want y'all to hear that either. So be right back. Okay, here we go. Looks like it shouldn't be that difficult. Famous last words. Go on the here. It's supposed to just there and there, and then okay. Upside down, inside out. Okay, there you go. Here. Shoot all the way in. Got a step situation going there, it looks like. And then the same thing here. And there you went. And here. And then matching set. Here. And you. All the way in. Actually, nice sturdy little build. That's nice. Take this guy. And these go. Okay, yeah, they got the triangles there and the triangles there, so you know you're lining them up correctly. You snug in there. And you. There it went. Snug in up here. Now these guys go in the next one, the sort of deeper. Okay, that's flush there. Yeah, that must be. This one goes in further. I know it was wrong. No, that's a narrow. Yeah, that's okay. So we got this sort of situation going on there, and supposedly, I think it said on the next page. Okay. All right. So these. Whoop. Got these slots right there. The bottoms. That's what you line those up with. And we got these. Where my handy dandies go? These slots right there for the steps. That one seems crooked, huh? Okay. But anyway, so slide those on and slide those in. Okay. And then, okay, so these are just hanging out. They're not. Nope, yeah, okay, so, yeah. So it's just the steps and the base that go on. These other two are just sort of hanging in midair for the time being. Looks like they're eventually going to hook into something, but otherwise, they're just sort of wobbling, sort of like the smokestack does. It's crooked, so it needs to go. I think it needs to go. Looking at it from the front, I can see it now. It's crooked, so I need to push in a little bit here. Okay. Yeah, so that's straightened that out, and that might have been where I was laying it over a while ago. All right, but that's that front section done. That was step 19, and that's I think that's going to be a good bit dish. I think it's less than 10 minutes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.